Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian, we are definitely drifting up pretty decent as you can see, but on the 4-hour time frame, the trend is definitely down unless it breaks this structure right here. So that means that this move up that we're currently seeing could just be a pullback to the last wave down. It could make a lower high and it could just keep on going down, especially if this really is the end of a correction on the higher time frames, which it looks like it is. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down, because if the higher time frames are going to continue to trend, then this move right here potentially would just be a pullback to the last wave down. If it goes to a Fibonacci level, it makes a nice bounce. I definitely would take it as a short, and I definitely would still have a short bias, especially on like the 4 hour daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.